teeth are chattering in this fairly cold, apparently summer day. It definitely feels like fall is coming. I'm sure it's not quite here yet, but today is a bit chilly. We're in Annapolis Royal, and I'm excited because I've heard about this town for quite a while, and we're gonna just take a look around, show you what Annapolis Royal looks like, and introduce you just to some of the cool little spots around here. All right, let's go.
Let me tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, to put it all straight before this.
Shout out to Bayton Old Mill in Blythe, Ontario, actually, like near our hometown, because they got their products right here in Annapolis Royal.
You know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time to reap what I've sown. Your words echoing in every single bone. So far out at sea, there's no cure for what you're telling me, and soon I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. This pain is not of the ordinary. Every time that I breathe, I can feel your worry. So I have to take my love and write a different story. I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way.
When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be good, boy, don't you ever play with guns. Well, I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head and cry.
historic site where the first Europeans landed in Canada. But before we get into that, we really want to acknowledge that this land is the land of the Mi'kmaq people. I hope I'm saying that right. We have been here for 14,000 years, and this land has never actually been ceded to the English. However, we are at this the fort historic site just to see a little bit about and learn a little bit about what happened, or like how the Europeans settled into this area.
So I carve handles for old tools. I work at the Sinclair Inn Museum, and people donate old tool heads, the metal parts, and I use only hand tools to make the handles. Start with a log, split it out, and use a hatchet, then a draw knife, then a spoke shave, and at the end I use a piece of broken glass to smooth out the wood.
It's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night.
We're just finishing up in Annapolis Royal. It is a beautiful little town. It's really cute. Our boys absolutely just loved running up and down at the fort.
And rolling down.
And rolling down. Yes, that's true. And wrestling each other and making lots of noise. And all the fun stuff for kids at Fort Anne. They really like all the kids. We saw all the kids. They loved the hills. Sorry, it's a beautiful car just driving by, making a bit of noise. We ate at the Whiskey Teller.
We did.
It was quite delicious.
The
really.
Portobello burgers were absolutely delicious. So were the fries.
The fries were actually quite fantastic.
Yeah, maybe the best fries ever.
Yeah, they make some really nice barbecue sauces and everything too. It's a really great place. So Whiskey Teller, Fort Anne, Annapolis Royal with their market and all that kind of stuff. It's just a really cute little town. We really enjoyed
Great
it.
experience.
The boys really loved it. And just a really quick announcement before we sign off today. On Fridays, we added interviews with travel families, and while we really enjoy doing it, it doesn't seem to be working super well for this channel. It's just a little bit too different for our vlogs. So
we're going to continue those interviews on a different channel and leave this channel as our vlog.
Yeah, so if you're here because you just really want to see more of Nova Scotia and these new people coming into Nova Scotia and seeing all these things for the first time and
exploring Nova Scotia with us,
yeah, then stay here with our vlog. If you are somebody who would really like to see other travel families and how they're exploring the world, then that's on our other channel called
Interviews with Travel Families.
Yes.
Try it again.
Okay.
Interviews with Travel Families. Fun with flags.
Yeah. And if you are a travel family and want to be interviewed with us, then we would love to be able to talk with you.
Yeah, reach
It
out.
is super
We wanna hear
fun.
from
It is actually super fun. So find us there. We'll link it below.
Keep joining us every further mile.
On a hill in Silver Macananic, few hundred yards is a big old boat. White Rock Road will take you to the